Easy English speaking practice. What is your name? My name is Alex. Can you play cricket? Yes, I can play cricket. Do you like rain? Yes, I like rainy days. Do you like rain? Can you fix a car? No, I don't know how. Do you like chocolate? Yes, I love chocolate. Do you like to sing? Yes, I like to sing. Do you like to draw? Yes, I like to draw. Are you ready to go? Yes, I am ready to go. Are you tired? Yes, I am tired. Do you like reading? Yes, I like reading. Do you play games? Yes, I play games. Are you a good cook? Yes, I am a good cook. Do you have a bag? Yes, I have a bag. Do you like dancing? Yes, I like dancing. Are you feeling cold? Yes, I am feeling cold. Do you like sports? Yes, I like sports. Do you watch movies? Yes, I watch movies. Are you hungry? Yes, I am hungry. Do you have a bike? Yes, I have a bike. Do you enjoy music? Yes, I enjoy music. Do you like tea? Yes, I like tea. Do you like coffee? Yes, I like coffee. Are you free now? Yes, I am free now. Do you like ice cream? Yes, I like ice cream. Are you a student? Yes, I am a student. Do you read books? Yes, I read books every week. What is your favorite color? My favorite color is green. Do you go to the park? Yes, I go to the park on. Can you drive a car? No, I cannot drive a car. What time do you sleep? I sleep at 10 p.m. Do you drink tea? Yes, I drink tea every morning. Where is your school? My school is near the market. Do you eat ice cream? Yes, I like ice cream. Thank you for watching. मिलते हैं नेक्स्ट वीडियो में. Can you